Hi guys, welcome to She's Electric's YouTube channel, aka Mizz-fix-it, aka Shira Walker. Is that too many AKAs? First of all, like and subscribe guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so YouTube can start writing me a check. Help a sister out. But if not, no pressure, just so you know. You can also buy me a coffee and soon to come exclusive content on Patreon. This channel is all about showing you guys how to do things. If there's something in particular you want to see a video about, let me know below. Any questions, comments, that's what I'm here for. So I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.
So this has been the setup for the past 3 years. It was overdue for a refresher. It was time for a change. I needed a little less of the smells from cooking staying in the house and a little more light over the stove. So first step, take down the former shelves. I needed the brackets, so I stole them off of the former shelves. I'm all about repurposing, so found the front of a cabinet that's not in use anymore on the property. And this is it, cut to size. Handy dandy spray paint, yes. Using a level and my drill, remounted the new longer shelf that is the right size for the vent. It's a self-venting vent hood, so I don't have to make a hole for it to vent out. The source of power is from below. I'm not going to get into the gory details, but we got to get power to it. It's 120. This is what it looked like when I finally ran the line. It was not so easy because the walls are thin. Always make sure you have the power off before you try to put the live line into your metal vent hood. Opening up the access panel for the electrical connections. This is what the vent hood looks like down. And this is the fast version of me putting it up. Really not too complicated. Make sure you keep it level. I didn't really need a level because the cabinet or the shelf that I already installed was already leveled, so I just mounted to the bottom of that. I made sure that the screws going into the wall were tight because that's what's really holding it up, not so much the cabinet or a shelf itself because it's pretty thin.